Manipur Meeyamna Thengnariba Khudong Chadaba Shing, MATAM CHUPPAGI OINA Waroishin Puraknaba, Prime Minister na Hotnari HAINA, Parliamentary Affairs ki Union Minister KIREN RIJIJU na PHONGDOKKHRE. Ngasi pangtokhiba India Today gi conclave ta wafam asi phongdokladuna Union Minister KIREN RIJIJU na hai Manipur da furup ani gi marakta thokliba irang asi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingpa laingak asina tungkoina chanagadaba Waroishin ama puraknaba gi damak akhanaba mideng changlaga thabak tawri. Atubada tangdulai taba pibam ama Manipurda laklagani haibagi thazaba chauna thamlei. Prime Minister na Manipurda chattabagi matangda opposition party na thamlakiba wafam singgi matangda paladuna KIREN RIJIJU na hai. Irang thokpa mafam khudingmakta Prime Minister na chatkadabani haibasigi wahanthok karino. Masidagi henna mathau tabade Prime Minister na irang adu mayek sengna khangbaduni. Irang thokpa mafamda chatlaga Prime Minister na tongan ba mafam sing Tongan wafam sing miyamda thamba duna tongan wafam amani. Manipurda thokliba irang asi manung yongna khangduna starasigi Meeyamna Thengnariba awaba amade Khudong Chadaba pumnamak tungkoina chatlagadaba mongda Waroishin Puraknaba misak adudi hauzik oiriba Prime Minister asini. Mamang thakta Manipurda thokiba irang kayada miyoi lising laikidaba yaukre. Irang sing aduda Joint Secretary gi official team mama nomagi khongchat ama khagchat kiba ngaktani adubo handak thokliba Manipur gi irang asida Union Home Minister Amit Samak Manipur da chatuna mafam aduda numit marini laiduna tangdulai taba hanjilaknaba thabak thauram kaya paikhat ki haina mahangna phongdokhi. Manipur da President Ro thamkhibagi matangda Union Minister KIREN RIJIJU na conclave aduda makhatana hai President Ro thamkhraba matungda Manipur gi Governor na mahusagi phibam da hanjilaknaba thabak thauram kaya paikhat pahukre. Thabak thauram sing adugi manung channa logi wangmada pairiba khutlai sing pikhalaknaba appeal tawkhiba adugi mahai chauna phangba ngamlei. Makha tarakpadasu Manipur gi damak aphaba amati nungaiba paw kaya ama lakhigani. Haukiba chahi tara asida BJP na Northeast region da chauna mai pakpa ngamliba si Prime Minister Narendra Modi na region asigi damak tungkoina chatnagadaba thabak thauram kaya paikhalakpagini. Haukiba chahi humpumanga rom asida Congress na tawkiba sing adu BJP na haukiba chahi tara asida pangthokpa ngamle hainasu KIREN RIJIJU na makatana phongdokhi.
The fight is not the fight of people of Manipur against government of India or against state. It is an unfortunate conflict between two communities. Government of India cannot use arms, cannot use force to bring peace. You have to appeal. You can't use force. So that is why it is not a struggling in the past. In the past, it was a struggle against Indian state. This problem in Manipur, what you saw, what you witnessed, is unfortunate, but I'm very hopeful with the hands-on approach by the Prime Minister. The Home Minister is driving. We all are equally focused and concerned, and I'm very hopeful with the support and cooperation of all the factions of the state of Manipur, we will bring peace and normalcy back to Manipur, because so much of development has happened in Northeast. One blot, one incident in Manipur is bringing a kind of a bad image, which is an unfortunate thing, but I'm very hopeful for the near future.